Now, when someone questions on the redneck scale, where do the Merediths fit? This is our Osb John boat we made.
I got a broom with some tape on it for my paddle.
Cameron, that wind's taking you, buddy, and it's taking you across the lake, man.
I got a
Hey, Breton! Hey, Breton! How bad's it leaking? As I'm saying, when you guys go fishing in it or something, you just take a cup, bail it out. Yeah, you bail it out now and then. You're a redneck.
I got my Jenny on the side.
Jenny.
I wonder if this thing can hold an alligator.
Hold an alligator?
Yeah.
What do you think? You're Chewed 'em Troy?
Huh?
You think you're Chewed 'em Troy?
I don't think I know. Stable.
And your brother questioned my ability.
I done it.
I told you, once you get in the water, it probably won't leak as much as it was when you were jamming it in there.
Yeah, it's not really leaking. I got me a little launch pad right there.
I know you do.
All the grass is like down.
That's awesome. Redneck. Redneck.
All you need is a little boat we can tie it to one of the studs.
Well, you don't want to leave it in the water.
Huh?
You don't want to leave it in the water.
I know, a lot. But I could.
You want to pull it up and then flip it over. We need to get a little electric motor, like a trolling motor for it.